Do you have a blockchain.com account? Have you participated in the 2019 airdrop for Stellar Lumens? This airdrop, if you participated in it right now, is worth around 150 bucks. To participate in it, you had to provide your documents to the blockchain.com wallet, and then you received this airdrop. A lot of people did that, myself included. And what's important is that if you have participated in that airdrop, it means that you also participated in the Blockstack airdrop as well, where you got 100 Blockstack tokens that are currently worth around 250 bucks. Now, these tokens were locked up for a whole year, and this has already passed, and you can use them and, well, spend them wherever you want. Blockstack is a project where they are doing smart contracts by using Bitcoin as the layer for security. So it's kind of the second layer of Bitcoin where you can use smart contracts. It is a pretty interesting project and quite a good idea in my opinion. The Stacks tokens have risen in value quite a lot, and well, it's basically up to you whether you want to spend them or whether you want to wait for them to appreciate in value even more, as it has been on a pretty good trajectory. Now, the problem is that on blockchain.com, if you go to the airdrops tab, you will see these tokens, that you do have these 100 stack tokens, but there is no way for you to spend them on the blockchain.com wallet. They have not made the integration yet, and I did write to support and tried to ask them when is it going to happen, and I had no response from them. So that's quite a problem, though there is an option. Blockstack has their own wallet, the Hero wallet, that is supporting their token. And if you were to import your blockchain.com into the Hero wallet, you would then gain access to your Blockstack tokens. So you could use that and then spend your tokens. Now, some security measures. If you are using blockchain.com as your primary exchange, then in my opinion, uh, you should actually think about whether it is worth the risk, because there is some risk that if the wallet has some bug or something, that you might lose money. I'm not saying that that will happen, but for example, if you have a lot of money in your blockchain.com wallet and you're going to risk it for this airdrop of 250 bucks, well, it has to be calculated. Though, if your blockchain.com wallet is stale, you don't have any money in there, then go for it for sure and take out your Blockstack tokens. Now, I'm not going to show you how it works in this video. I will link to another video that I will shoot, where I will go step by step how to import your blockchain.com wallet into the Hero wallet, how to install it, and how it all works. So yeah, basically, if you have participated in the Stellar Lumens airdrop in 2019, then you have around $250 worth of crypto waiting for you to use it. Now, personally, I'm planning to hold on to this tokens a little bit more, as I think it has some room to grow. Maybe not too much, though. I'm not seeing as the best project out there, though do your own research, and if you feel that it is a project that you would like to hold on to, then you might even want to wait for blockchain.com to implement their own wallet for Blockstack, and then you won't need to import your blockchain.com wallet into the Hero wallet. So this is it for this quick video. If you want the how-to, I will have a link somewhere in this video for you to show you how to get your airdrop from the blockchain.com wallet. So this is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the free money, and I'll see you in the next video.